Hello and welcome to video presentation of Curiosity Technology. Today we're gonna have a discussion regarding our product BillExpert. BillExpert is basically a software which can help you out generate tax invoice, performa invoice, quotation, delivery challan, excise invoice. So let's get started. Here you can create n number of companies. So I'll select one of the company in which I want to log in. You can put in the user ID and the password over here. So this is the home screen of the software. You can see the logo, you can see whoever has logged into the system. Now I'll show you first how to add a company. We'll go to add company, company name, company code, contact person, contact number, website, email. You can set in the reminder alerts in the software. The number of days prior or after the reminder should come over. You can enable the auto asset code with prefix and suffix. You can put in the number. You can put in address, postal code, city, state, country. Also, you can upload the logo of your company. Company master is the edit option. You can put in the company name. You can see this way the information is fed into the system, right? You can anytime change the data or the information as you want and just update it. Delete company would log you out of, would delete your company. Close company would log you out of the system. Then I'll take you to the master. The first master is unit of master. Unit of master, you can put in details like kg, kilos, inches. It is up to you. Whatever data you want to feed, you can feed it into the system. You can do the searching from here. For example, it's an NO number. You can search it. You can do single delete. You can do editing. You can do multi delete. You want to add something new, new unit of master. You can do it from here. Kilometer you want to add. You can do that. Then I'll take you to the most important thing called tax master. Here you can create n number of masters related to tax. Suppose government tomorrow introduces a new tax, you can create that tax here in the tax master. You can create combination of taxes, tax 1 after tax 2. You can do that as well. So if there is a tax which is applied after a earlier tax, you can do that as well. So combination is possible. Client master, here you can enter all the client information. You can either add it or import it using our predefined Excel template. Add, you can add in client name, contact, email, PAN, VAT, GST, address. Even you can enter any notes or details you want to. If the shipping address is different, you can select this and enter the information over here, and similar would be reflected on the invoice. Product master, here you can add all the products. You can do that. The tax, the MRP on it would be automatically calculated. You can also import it through Excel. Click on add, enter the product name, product code, description, unit of measurement, rate and the tax, and the system would automatically calculate the MRP on it. Then payment terms, you can create different payment terms, EMI, 21, 15 days, cash on. These are some of the example which are created by us. But if you want to create any payment terms, you can do that. You can enter payment types, whether cash, check, online, net banking, debit card, credit card, Paytm, whatever you want to do, you can do it. Similarly, terms and condition, different terms and condition can be entered and can be assigned on an invoice. So basically these are the masters which one needs to create prior to making the invoice. Now I'll take you to the invoice. Here you can make delivery challan, tax invoice, performa invoice, retail invoice, quotation, excess invoice. We'll create one tax invoice. I'll go to tax invoice. I'll click on create. I'll select the party name or the client name. I can select the payment days. I can select the terms and condition. I can select the currency. If there is a PO number, I can do that. Enter the date. Enter any shipping date, shipping charges if it is there. and also the tax on shipping and the other charges if it's applicable. Also there is an option of adding client here, so you don't need to again go to the master, you can directly do it from here itself and it gets updated in the system. Once you are done with this, you can add product. For example, I'll select switch. If there is any discount, enter over here, add. The calculation on it is done by the system itself. If you have another product, you can do that as well. There is no discount, just ignore it, click on add. You can enter now the quantities over here. For example, if I am buying this 10 quantities, the system does the auto calculation of it. Once you are done with this, close this and submit. Now your invoice is ready. The grand total on it is auto calculated by the system. Here you can view it, all the details. Right. Now you can print the invoice. You can click over here in the print icon. It asks, do you want to print? You can directly print this using a normal printer. You can see all the details are fed. You can see the tax has been calculated as shown over here, and the information is calculated like grand total, your amount in words, everything is reflected on the invoice. So you can create beautiful looking, professional looking invoices from the system. Similarly, you can create delivery challan, performa invoice, retail invoice you want to create a quotation. You can create a quotation, you can print a quotation. Your quotation would look like this. You can see a quotation over here. Take a printout of the quotation. You can take out a delivery challan, like you can see a delivery challan over here. The delivery challan with multiple products, everything. So you can issue this delivery challan to your client easily. You just need to take a printout. You can search the data from here. Suppose you want to search home, woods is one of the party you want to search, you can do that. So all the details related to it would come up. You can delete, single delete, multi delete, all the options are available. Then payment, we have created tax invoice, retail invoice, excess invoice, and we want to keep the payment follow up. You can do that as well. I'll show you an example of payment. We made this, the status is pending, that the whole amount is pending, so you can enter the payment against it. Suppose I'm gonna make a payment using online transaction. You can create the payment type in the masters, and I'm making a payment of 5,000. I'm selecting today's date as payment date and I'm submitting. The system would automatically reduce the 5,000 amount from the balance amount. You can make multiple payments. Once the payment is done completely, the status changes to clear from pending. So you can make multiple payment entries. Similarly, search option is available over here. The thing remains same for retail and excise invoice. Now I'll take you to another option called reports. Here you can see all your clients, your product report, all your products would be reflected. You can do the searching, you can export them to Excel easily. You want to filter out the data, you can do the filtration as well. You can view the data over here. All the details is available. Your tax invoice report, all your tax invoices which has been created. We can filter, if you want to filter today's data, today's tax invoice, we can do that as well. Just select the date and search. So these two are the tax invoice of which are generated in today's date. I can export this to Excel. So basically what you can do is you can filter out the data, and it is available on the readily available on the Excel. You can see the information. Rest of the reports are similar to this, like your excise invoice, your quotation report, right? So you can get all the reports from the system itself. Then in the option we have given option of backing up the database, restoring the database. User master, you can basically create the password protection for your software, so person with authorized access can only log into the system. File format, you can anytime download the file format for data importing in case you format a computer, or in case you lose track of your Excel, you can anytime download it from here. Show alert would show you the alert. Since we have not set up any kind of alert, it's not showing up. And log out would just log you out of the system. If you want to get into another company, just need to select this, you need to log into this, you need to put in user ID password, and you can see, you can go to company master and you can do the thing, right? So we have logged into another company. So this way basically you can create unlimited companies, you can keep the data company specific, you can do all kind of bill generation thing from our software. For inquiry, for demo, you can contact us, you can call us, you can visit our website, which is www.qlocity, that is QELOCITY India.com. You can call us on our help desk number, that is 022 6555 0577. You can call on mobile number 9819 189 777, or send us an email on our email ID sales, that is SALES at the rate Qlocity, that is QELOCITY India.com. If there is any customization needed in the software, or if you have any specific requirement related to this software, that is also possible. For any of your needs or requirement of the product, please contact us. Thank you for watching the video presentation. I hope you get back to us. Thanks.